inspired by a parent's instinct to connect with baby. Graco's reversible handle travel system allows you to connect with your baby with just a flip of the handle. The Alano Flip-It travel system comes complete with the top-rated Graco infant car seat and stroller that holds your child up to 50 pounds for years of comfortable strolling. Together, it has different modes of use. As a travel system with the rigorously tested Snug Ride infant car seat, or as a stroller with its innovative reversible height adjustable handle, which flips to allow baby to face you or the world. To reverse the handle, lift both latches that are located on each side of the handle until the handle is at a 90-degree angle or passes the canopy. For safety precautions, be sure baby's hands are clear before reversing handle. Once it reaches the correct angle, the handle can be locked in position. In addition, the Alano Flip-It travel system comes complete with the thoughtful details that you as a parent expect from Graco. For your ease of use, the stroller folds with one hand. For your baby's comfort, the deluxe padded seat reclines in multiple positions. For your convenience, the extra-large drop-down storage basket lets you store and remove your travel essentials without disturbing baby. You'll also find a zippered pocket to securely store your essentials like keys or cell phone. The height-adjustable handle lets you choose the most comfortable height for strolling, and the parent cup holder adjusts easily in both the forward and rear-facing handle positions to keep beverages handy for you too. For superior maneuverability, the front swivel wheels with suspension can be locked into place to ensure a smooth ride. The Alano Flip-It travel system comes with the top-rated Graco infant car seat. With the flip of the handle, it's the travel system designed to help you and baby connect comfortably and safely.